Hi everybody! Thanksgiving is time for turkey. If you can't get hold of a turkey, just make it from a box. In fact, a box turkey is better than the real turkey because you can play with it until Christmas and well into next year. And the box is free of charge. Just make sure it's glued together well at the bottom and at the top as well. Like that. Then you put your sealed up box to the side and you find two smaller boxes that can be your drumsticks. If you can't find boxes that are small enough, just take a bigger box and cut it in half. Next, we make the bones that stick out from the drumstick. Those we just cut out from cardboard. We glue 2 and 2 together so that they become thicker and more solid, like this. Then I dip the ends in glue and I stick them to the ends of the small boxes. A bit of tape, and then I wait for them to dry. Those you can stick onto the box so that they stand up in a funny way. Like this, for instance. That's quite funny. Oh, turkey running! Oh, yeah! Hi, what's your name? Oh, hi, Mom. Oh, really? On Thursday? Excuse me. Now is the time to paint it in tasty colors. And here we are really lucky because the box is already a delicious brown. All we need is a little touch-up. Finally, some salt and pepper. And we are ready. Well, actually, we need to cut the hole for the stuffing. You see, normally you will stuff the turkey with apples, prunes, bread, and other things. But you can also stuff the turkey with, anything and use it as a gift box. For Christmas, for example. Merry Christmas! Or put all your socks inside. So that next time when you need a pair of socks, you just reach inside and then you just grab use it as a cornflakes box. And many more things. Hey, any more cornflakes inside there? Hello? Hello? Whoa, 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 what happened? What happened? Oh no, I've turned into a turkey. I gotta get out of here. Help me, help me. Well, that was an okay video, I guess. But anyway, there is so much more. You can't stop the craft train.